Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Big of the CoinsKid crew. So XRP for me is in a technical target. We are actually making a all-time high today on this chart. Okay, so there are many different charts, there are many exchanges, and all of them have different highs and lows and things like that. But what I tend to do is, and those people have been on the channel for a very long time, I use the indexes because this allows me to go back as far as I can on any coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, XRP, whatever. We can go back to the furthest point of data point that's been recorded in any transaction aside from it being on an exchange. Because if we look, for example, let's take a look at Kraken, for example. You can clearly see, if we go look at Kraken right now, zoom out, you can clearly see that the first sort of traded price action was in 2017, so that doesn't give you much data. So this is why what I tend to do is I look back at the furthest data point. I always have on these charts to build my analysis of the wave counts, basically, for my analysis of up or down or whatever. So basically this is it. I always use the index. So basically to get that XRP USD, and you can clearly see crypto, a nice little index, spot crypto, that TradingView do themselves. So I don't really look at the Bitstamp, Coinbase, Binance, other than if I'm doing intraday trading and out. I'll always look at the index. So according to the index, today this is your all-time high, which was peaked in 2018 on this chart. In January, we look at that, we spiked up, but roughly the high there was $3.3170, and today we've actually pierced that. Look at that beautiful all-time high here for XRP. Look at that on this particular chart, amazing. So the all-time high has actually been breached as expected. We've actually hit $3.38 73, so we're doing incredibly well, and obviously there'll be a little bit of resistance at that, but we don't quite see 5 waves on this break here. So if this is some kind of expanded flat correction, which I think it is at the moment, from here we're seeing an impulsive wave, corrective wave, and right now we're breaking another impulsive wave, and we don't necessarily see 5 waves in this little move here, which is obviously increasing the probability of a drawdown. So like I said to you, I think there's actually a technical target here for XRP, this white line, and a 2.618, and a potential round off and a push through to that $4 target. If we go beyond it, amazing, big thumbs up. But what I'm looking to do in time, I will absolutely exit my position here because we are in 5 waves to the upside, but I will try and find the top as best I can, and I will look for that bearish divergence, which increases the probability of a big prolonged macro sideways boring correction. At that point I'll exit, and then I'll build an accumulation range with you to add even more to my bags going forward. So I'm not a moon boy. I'm not going to hold on to these bags because basically this is a target I've had for a very long time. This $4 target, 2.618, this technical target as well marries up with that overshoot to that $4 target, which I gave you way back here. I think it was when was it? It was March in last year, wasn't it? As we began to get this 3-wave correction coming back up, I did flip bearish. I was looking for the 5 waves down, and from this point I outlined why I did think that XRP was going to hit $4, from 40 cents to $4. Basically trade of a lifetime, around about 10x. So that's been a beautiful move so far, and we are literally whiskers away from that target being met. So I wish them most luck. Thank you for staying on the channel. It's been hard, it's been tough, we're grinding all of this accumulation range, but we've been having fun with this. So basically I put bids in down now, relayed to you why. 1 2 3 4 5 counter, beautiful. And then in July of this year as well, we put bids in there. So we've accumulated so much XRP right now that even if it starts to break down or whatever, a significant drawdown like it did there, after that big impulsive move in 2021 right there, if it starts to do that, we're still way in profit here against herd mentality and the crowd says. So obviously you'll start to see all sorts of targets being thrown around. $50, $850. I think there's a $589 target. Potentially it gets there in 100 years or whatever, but I don't know. But nothing goes up forever, please remember that. And if you're buying the big green candles here, you're very likely to get shafted and get the big red dildo. So please be careful. If you are not already involved in XRP, you're in 5-wave territory right now. This is where it becomes dangerous on any chart. Like I relay to you, if you see 5 waves up, you've got to start thinking about selling and looking for them shorts and taking profit. If you see 5 waves down, you're all in. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 all in. Just there, 1 2 3 4 5 all in. And I think those times will come again. And we'll ride them opportunities against the herd mentality and the naysayers. So far so good. There's no new news really. Other than that, we've made an all-time high here on this particular chart. We're still in a technical target with a little bit of confidence in that $4 target I was giving you way back in spring last year. So far so good. Now I'm looking at other opportunities. I do think XRP is front running the market. So look at coins that have not broken out yet. We're looking at Chainlink, Cardano, VeChain, so on and so forth. So I think at some point it might be a good idea to actually rotate some of the XRP into those coins once we do see 5 waves here. At the moment we only see 1 2 3, don't we? So if we get 4 5 up to this target, then yeah, we've got an increased probability that you run from this July low is a 1 2 3 4 5 setup, and we could begin to run out steam here for XRP. XRP. At that point, we need to, you know, build the confluence of bearish divergence on a daily, weekly, so on and so forth. At that point, we'll, you know, me personally, I'll look to start to rotate in coins that have not moved like in 5 waves yet. We've only seen Cardano 1, 2, 3 at the moment, Chainlink 1, 2, 3. We've not necessarily seen that, you know, 4, 5 wave right now. 4, 5. Well, I think we're still in the 4, potentially looking for this 5th wave to catch up XRP, giving us a clue. So yesterday I did post, and I get a lot of stick and a lot of hate, but I do like to meme coin trade, as you're fully aware. I think meme coins are amazing. I love meme coins. I think they're fun. You know, I never go all in on meme coins, but I have chose a meme coin for the CoinsKid community. We jumped in last night. I did post it in a Discord, and it's gone up, I think, around about 60x already. A lot of people think they're late to the show, but I'm going to show you why you're not, if you do want to get involved in that particular project. But just in late October, I did relay to the CoinsKid crew, you know, some coins I was looking at, some meme coins. We've got TITS, can't say it's a bit naughty, but that did an amazingly, you know, amazing return for us. We've got Fart Coin, which had about 60x, that was amazing. We've got Axe, which is really well. And yesterday, scouring, looking at opportunities, there was a little under the radar gem right there, you know, where I've picked for the CoinsKid crew. I'm going to show you exactly what it is today in the video. I'm going to show you how to buy it. And remember, with meme coins, you only afford, just like any crypto, you only afford what you can afford to lose. Don't go all in. I see too many degens going all in and things like that. Don't do that. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And hopefully, you know, we can ride this up, because it still is an under the radar cap meme coin. It's an absolute micro cap. So let me show you exactly what it is right now. But, you know, so far so good. The technical target's not been met. A little bit of confidence to that. We've not quite got 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, final 5th wave coming up right now. So we've got an increased probability at some point we will see a big macro correction here, a bigger drawdown for XRP. But I think there's still money to be made in this market. You know, possibly for XRP from this point, but I think the meme coins, and equally some of them under the radar coins that, you know, that have not put in the 5 waves yet, Cardano, VeChain, Chainlink, you know, many other coins that we're looking at, altcoins that I've been posting in Discord right there, that have not put in 5 waves. They're basically here, you know, and the fact that XRP's done that, just like it broke out earlier in November right there as well, it's a clue that we may be, you know, having that in front of us. So let me show you this meme coin that we selected as a community in the CoinsKid Discord right there, okay? So if you are looking to get involved in Fartboy, like I've relayed to you many times with these meme coins, like I did relay this every single time I've posted a video about meme coins, even cryptocurrency projects. Please remember, they are extremely volatile. You can lose all your money in a heartbeat. So please only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not go all in. Don't be an over leveraged degen. You know, just only invest pocket change basically, and this is all I ever do in this, you know. So, you know, for me, I've not chucked thousands at this, what a lot of people will potentially do. I don't want you to do that. Please do not do that. You know, I'm not encouraging you to throw everything at this. This is just a little pocket change, you know, investment basically, and that's exactly what all of crypto is. Please remember that, you know, nothing is guaranteed, nothing's certain. There's no guarantees on this channel, okay? So basically, Fartboy, cute little meme coin that I've picked. I was looking at the charts yesterday. I was scouring for a little meme coin selection, because I do think, and I've relayed this to you before, I do think there was an impulse there. And when there's impulses, I look at opportunities. For example, there was an impulse in early November. You know, I was spotting it was calling up, and at that point I relayed, late October, I do apologize, I relayed that prior to that impulse breakout in November, which I was looking at meme coin opportunities, and this is exactly what I'm doing. You know, I was looking at late October, relayed those 3 meme coin opportunities to the CoinsKid crew in the Discord right there. Fartcoin, ACT, and TITS did really well for us, and potentially this could as well, you know. So like I said to you, nothing goes up forever. If you see something in a massive vertical, then you know, you need to look at other opportunities that have not got that vertical, and this is one of those, Fartboy. So for me, I've chucked a little bit of chump change at it, nothing major, not gone all in like what a lot of people do. Please don't do that. But you know, I just like it. I think it's cool, you know, and this is the only reason I invest in these meme coins, because they're cool. Look at this Fartboy, little cute character. Fartboy is a playful, community-focused cryptocurrency inspired by the hilarious and heroic spirit of a comic book character. Built on the Solana blockchain, Fartboy represents an intersection of humor, innovation, and blockchain technology. Designed for collectors, meme enthusiasts, and fans of comics, Fartboy introduces an ecosystem where laughter and creativity come together with real-world utility. So full disclosure, I have absolutely no affiliation with this project. It's just something that I found and I've jumped on, and I'm just relaying that opportunity to you. So so far so good. Myself and the CoinsKid crew are doing really well on this, and I'm not selling. Basically, that's my mantra. I'm not selling this coin. So basically, to get it, this is a contract address. All you do is paste it into your Phantom wallet. There is a tutorial, I'll drop that in, how to install Phantom on your mobile device or your desktop. Really simple. Paste it in, swap out USDC or whatever, and then enjoy the ride basically. So I wish everyone else luck, but remember, nothing I say is financial advice. This meme coin is not a guaranteed selection to go vertical or anything like that. I'm just looking at other opportunities. Okay, as the market starts to bubble up and froth up, I do look at meme coins as an opportunity, and I do think potentially this is an under the radar little micro cap gem, because at the moment it is trading at roughly, I think, $500,000 market capitalization. So it's basically a minnow. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Take care, everyone. Back soon with an update on XRP. Bye bye.